Hey y'all, hoo-wee. Alright, my topic on this video is snoring, and I thought I should talk about it because it can be a big issue of tension in relationships. You know, it can really divide couples up in a horrible way. My craziest story about snoring is that one of my ex-boyfriends, his name was Brian, and like I was trying to, you know, be a good girlfriend and cuddle with him at night, but then one night I guess I was snoring like a freight train, and in the middle of the night he yelled out, what did he yell out? He said stop or something like that. I think he yelled out stop. And he was like, would you please stop snoring? So then I went in his other bedroom. He had 4 bedrooms, so I went in the 4th bedroom. And I just stayed. That was just my bedroom from then on for sleeping. I know, it's a very sad story. So I didn't try cuddling with him ever again. And we broke up like, I don't know, 5 months after that. Let's see. What else do I have to say about snoring? So I got married 10 years ago to my ex-husband. Right after we got married, he went to go sleep on the couch, which I was real like disappointed about, but I guess because I snored. And then his snoring was driving me nuts. And like, okay, we had to live with his parents for a couple months because we were in Kansas City, but then we moved down here to Texas. So we were living at their house, and I was pregnant. I was like 4 months pregnant. And he was working all the time. Anyways, we had to share a bed. We had to share a room. And he was snoring so loud, and I couldn't sleep, which is kind of a hard thing when you're pregnant, you know. So I told him I wanted to like stay at this like extended stay hotel, but just like by myself so I could sleep, because he was snoring. But he was real mad about that, and he was like, you want a divorce? And I was like, whoa. Somehow we still made it 6 years past that, but then we did end up splitting up. But I think that was one thing that was always like a dividing issue for us, you know. And I just want to say to all the couples out there, don't let it divide you, you know. Maybe one of you snores, but try and look past that. Like lately, I've been sick for like a week and a half now, but I'm so tired, like I don't care about the snoring. And I think that it helps you to get better if you cuddle with whoever you're with, because it keeps you warmer, you know, and it keeps your chest warm. So I recommend that you all, if you get sick or anytime, you should cuddle with the person you're with, and it'll make you better faster. But yeah, and don't worry about the snoring. But like when you're sick, you're too tired really to care about it because you can just sleep through it. But normally, I think it bothers me because I'm a light sleeper, and I don't know, it's just like, it's like irritating, you know. But love, the Bible says that love bears all things, which means that includes snoring. So all y'all should go cuddle with whoever you're with and enjoy it, and try to tune out the snoring and love them no matter how loud they snore. But if it's like seriously an issue that you can't sleep, then just like sleep in a different room, because, you know, if you don't sleep for too long, like, you can go crazy. So anyways, may God bless you on your relationships. Bye.